Today we are going to create a RAG with Python. We are also using Pinecone and AWS Bedrock for vector store and LLM model from AWS Bedrock. So first thing is, what is a RAG? So basically it is a architecture, we can say that it uses, like, it has two components, retrieval and generation. So retrieval is something, we create a knowledge base and then we retrieve information from that knowledge base. So then that retrieved context is passed through LLM model to generate a response. So next question will be, why do we need a RAG? Like, what is the need of creating a RAG when we have LLM models? So basically it solves following problems, like LLM models are not up to date, so we can provide the context up to date. It will, if we want to create something specific to a domain, then we can, for those things we use a RAG. So what are the things we are going to do in our program? So basically uh, first we are going to create a embeddings. We will be using sentence transformer for that. Then we will be creating our vector store. So we will be storing those document embeddings in vector store. For that we will be using Pinecone, and then we will be using AWS Bedrock, as we will be using Mistral CI LM model for that. So yeah, let's go to the code. Like, so basically I wrote a simple code. Our function, it will extract the information from a PDF. So I have taken a sample PDF. It is a sample PDF like introduction to AI. So we'll be reading this PDF. Here we are extracting the information from the PDF. We are reading this PDF, and then we are creating some chunks. So we are splitting this. We are using recursive character text splitter, and then these chunks, text chunks, will be using this sentence transformer, and then we will be creating our embeddings. So once we have created the embeddings, now it's time to create a index. So we'll be using, as I earlier taught, Pinecone for this. So this is the code how we can create index in Pinecone. We have to define index name and other specifications, and then we'll be passing those embeddings and some other information like actual raw data and all. Will be uh, doing a batch upsert into our index. So yeah, we'll be inserting data into our Pinecone vector store. So let me show you how Pinecone looks. So yeah, so just like before, if you want to like do this, then you have to generate a API key. You can create API key from here, like this is free, like we have some limit, so we can use this for our demo purpose. First we have to create this API key, and then it will also give you some quick start references, so you can follow these steps if you want to create your like vector store here. So let me run this code. Python main.py. So simply I'm just passing the name of my PDF and then index what I wanted. So this will create an index name, introduction to AI in Pinecone. So let's wait. Yeah, so execution is completed, as you can see. Now if I'll refresh this page, yeah, as you can see that our vector store is ready, and yeah, data is also there. So once the vector store is ready, so I have created another file also. Yeah, here I am querying this index. So this is also like very simple code. Simply I'm like first we have to use that Pinecone key if we want to query the index. So I have created this function class. So yeah, this is a simple class. Init method I have defined like embedding which Bedrock model I want to use. This is the model I am using, and here get embedding method, like it will take that query and then it will encode that. It will create the embedding for that. So here I am querying the Pinecone index. So it will return me top k. It means top 5 results. After getting those results, I will be passing that as a context, and here I have written a prompt. So basically what I want is I only want to use that context which I have received from Pinecone, and if the context I have not found, for example if I ask some question which is not present in that PDF, example like who won the T20 World Cup or something like that in that question, then I just wanted that answer to be I don't have information about that thing, right? So let me run this thing. Yeah, so simple question I'm asking, like what are the concern of AI, as in PDF there was concern of AI, so I just wanted to know about that. So file is query.py, right? So it will first retrieve the index, then pass that to LLM model, and then this prompt will run and it will return us the response. So let's wait. Yeah, based on the product document, like it gave us some points. And second scenario was if I ask this model something which is not mentioned in the PDF, then for example who won the World Cup 2024. Okay, so let's see what it will say. Let's wait. Yeah, so yeah, it don't have that enough context regarding that, only information related to AI it has. So yeah, so like this is a simple code how we can create a rack in Python using Pinecone as vector store, and then use Bedrock model as LLM, like LLM model from Bedrock we can use.